I'm curious. I'm curious as you kind of look back on the journey so far. Um, what like what are you proud of? Like, what's a win? What do you feel like? Man, we're really doing it.
Um, oh, that one's tough. I don't like to brag on myself, so that one's a hard one. Like you have to be like, hey, what did you win well
Well,
in? Um, I think I think the people part, like we've helped single moms get homes that work for us.
mhm.
Um, Now you're gonna make me emotional. Things that we I think the people aspect is what we've done and what we've done well.
Yeah.
Um, because ultimately it doesn't matter what building you've built or the laundry or the free things that you've provided. I think it's the lives that you've changed. And so I think those are big wins for us. I think also changing the standard of what's acceptable for a laundromat. Like dingy lights is not
Hmm.
acceptable. Like dirty floors, not dryer sheets everywhere, people that are cranky and not very pleasant. I mean, like, you know, some of our standards are clean and friendly, fast and safe. And when we hit those goals, people keep coming back. And so I think we do a really, really good job of making sure people are really, really friendly and clean. We say we're the Chick-fil-A of the laundry industry. And when you
Hmm.
think Chick-fil-A, you know that standard, you know that friendliness, and that's our goal as well. And so I think that's a huge win for us. And then being able to bring others along to help them. So we've had laundromat owners reach out to us free of charge. Hey, you want to learn, you want to know, come in. We will help you.
Yeah.
Whether that's via email or like we've had people flying from Arizona, Memphis was 2 weeks ago. A guy came from Midland a month ago. Like bringing people in and coming alongside them because that's how we got started. Like if Scott would have
Yeah.
not been kind enough to let us do these things for free, like we wouldn't be where we are today. And so I think changing other people who are in the industry, I think that's a huge win because then we all win. The industry is changed when we're all doing that together. So that's a huge win for me.
That's a good one. See, that wasn't that hard, Hannah. You just had to be forced to do
Yeah, I know.
it.
I know.
I think I mean, listening to your story, I think these are the things that build not only just like great companies, but like great organizations of people.
Yes.
To your point, and I think that this is the kind of stuff that it does change lives, and it changes communities, and it changes entire industries, and that is so powerful.
Yes.
And it's the laundry industry is fortunate that you all came in just guns blazing, sprinting all the way. Here we go, we're coming. Hey,
Yeah.
we're coming, and we're changing. We're gonna blow some stuff up along the way, but it's gonna be fun.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
Yeah,
been
that's
fun.
that's really great.
Yeah. It's been a wild ride. I'm not a roller coaster person, but it's been fun. So, it's fun. It's fun.
That's funny.